Who took guardianship after his parents passed away?
So when his father passed away, of course his mother still was taking care of him. Okay, but when his mother passed away, his granddad took over. Abdul-Muttalib. Abdul-Muttalib looked after him for 2 years. He loved him, took care of him. For 2 years, Abdul-Muttalib, the grandfather. After the age of 8, what happened? Abdul-Muttalib passed away. Now look what the Prophet happened to him. He lost his mother, he lost his father, now he's lost his granddad. Now Abu Talib took over. Who took over?
Abu Talib.
Abu Talib took over. And Abu Talib took very good care of the Prophet ﷺ. Very good care. Now, so, why did Abu Talib take over? This is my question. There were other uncles of the Prophet that were alive. Why did his grandfather specifically appoint Abu Talib? Man.
Why did
Abu Talib take over? And not any other uncles or aunties of the Prophet ﷺ. Specifically, why Abu Talib?
What I think is because Abu Talib was the closest uncle. No, I don't know what to say.
You're on the right track. MashaAllah, it is.
No, yeah. Abu Talib, I wanted to say Abu Talib is the closest person to Prophet Muhammad.
How? In what way? That's good. You're right. In what way?
In what way?
Yeah. See?
Or maybe he already had children who was taken care of. So it wouldn't be as much of a hassle if he came to care of him as well.
No. The answer to this question is the Prophet ﷺ's mum and dad. Abu Talib's mother and father is the same as the mother and the father of who? The Prophet's dad. Yani they were full brothers. Like the rest were just half. Like Abu Talib and Abdullah were what? Full brothers. And that means he'll take extra care of his, he'll take him in like his own son. Because this is his brother, full brother's son. And he will. Okay?